This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox AI. First, let's understand its core purpose. This powerful tool significantly streamlines the development process for creators on the Roblox platform. It allows you to generate code, create assets, and even design game logic with natural language prompts. This innovation empowers both new and experienced developers to bring their imaginative concepts to life more efficiently than ever before. To begin, open Roblox Studio and navigate to the View tab at the top. You will find the AI Assistant panel readily available, often docked on the side. Alternatively, specific AI functionalities are integrated directly into tools like the Script Editor or Asset Creator. Always confirm your Roblox Studio is updated to its most recent version to ensure access to all the latest and most robust AI features available today. One of the most powerful applications is generating code. Open a new script and then access the AI Assistant. You can type prompts like, create a script for a door that opens when a player touches it, or write a function to add 20 coins to a player's inventory. Always review the generated code carefully for accuracy and security, making any necessary adjustments to fit your game's specific requirements. This speeds up development by many hours. Roblox AI also excels at helping with visual asset creation. In the Asset Manager or directly within the workspace, you can prompt the AI to generate a realistic texture for a wooden floor or create a simple low-poly tree model. This can save you countless hours of manual design work. After generation, you can easily drag and drop these new assets into your game, then adjust their properties and placement to perfectly fit your aesthetic vision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.